बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बिश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम। वेलकम टू आर्मी पब्लिक डिग्री कॉलेज मलिर कैंट ऑनलाइन सपोर्ट प्रोग्राम। स्टूडेंट्स, एक दिन मेरे घर के सीलिंग फ़ैन का कैपेसिटर जल गया। मैं उसको ख़रीदने के लिए मार्केट गया। When I asked the prices from the shopkeeper, he said it is of 65 rupees. I said 65 rupees? अभी कुछ महीने पहले तो मैं लेके गया था, ये 25 रुपए का था। He said no, it is now 65 rupees. मैंने कहा क्या हो गया अचानक ऐसा? उन्होंने कहा इधर आए मैं बताता हूँ आपको। वो अंकल थे, उन्होंने बताया कि कुछ अर्सा पहले मैं बहुत कम पैसे लेकर जाता था मार्केट में और सुजुकी भर के सामान लेकर आता था अपनी शॉप के लिए। अब मैं बहुत सारे पैसे लेके जाता हूँ और सिर्फ मोटरसाइकिल पे ही सामान लेकर आ जाता हूँ। यानी पहले बहुत कम पैसे लेके जाता था, ज़्यादा सामान लाता था। अब बहुत पैसे लेके जाता हूँ तो सामान कम लेकर आता हूँ। Yes class, today we are going to discuss value of money, chapter 4. The subtopics are what is inflation, causes of inflation. Our objectives are student will be able to know the concepts of inflation and its causes. The first topic is what is inflation. A continuous increase in general price level is known as inflation. Means if the prices are increasing of the products on the regular basis, then there is an inflation in the country. Or too much money chasing too few goods. Yes class, after listening this second definition, you join this definition with the story. As uncle was telling us, the same story is matching with this. Too much money chasing too few goods. Uncle was telling us, I am used to take lots of money nowadays and bringing the items on my motorcycle only. Means he is taking lots of money to the market and buying very less amount of items. Now, causes of inflation. There are two main causes of inflation. First one is known as demand pull inflation. Second one is cost push inflation. First, demand pull inflation. The most important cause of rising prices is excessive increase in money supply. Class, as in the previous topics we were sharing this also, when the quantity of money is increasing in the country, then the demand of the people increases, because when we are having lots of money with us, naturally we are used to spend. Spend means our demand is increasing, and when demand increases, then the supply, the price increases. This sentence we discussed in the previous class also. Again listen. When demand increases more than supply, then price increases. This concept you know very well. Next is cost push inflation. The word is suggesting to us, when the cost of production increases, then the producer increase the price prices of the products. Understanding, class? When producer increase the prices due to increase in the cost of production, it is known as cost push inflation. Why the prices of product is increasing? Actually, when the workers demand for higher wages, this is the cause of increase in the cost of production. Or increase in the tax. If tax is increasing, then the producer increase the price of the product. Or high prices of imports item. Let's suppose if the producer is importing some raw material from the other country and the price of that raw material increased, then the producer increase the price of products. Or I gave you example of oil in the previous class also. If the price of the oil is increasing, then the producer increasing the cost of price of the product. So the cost push inflation means when the prices are increasing due to increase in the cost of raw material. Your assignment is find, write and learn the following: define inflation, explain demand pull inflation, explain cost push inflation. If you haven't understood anything, you can ask on the WhatsApp group. Today's class is very short because it is very short topic, and next topic is very long. We will be discussing in the next class. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.